Welcome in, y'all. As you can see, we are in front of the Paramount Studios here in Los Angeles, California. And we just finished up the tour. We're filming this after the tour. It was so exciting. You're seeing pictures right now of some of the things that we saw on the tour. I got to see the back of Tom Cruise's Maverick Top Gun helmet.
I got to sit on Forrest Gump's bench. That was awesome. I love Forrest Gump.
Yes, some other things that we had a great tour, guys. A lot of history happened here at Paramount Studios. What was your favorite thing from the tour?
My favorite thing from the tour was sitting on the bench, but also just learning the fun facts, learning about all the kind of things that burned down, like some of the film in the beginning, like hundreds of films burned down, and you'd never be able to see them because it was the only copy, so that was kind of crazy.
Yes. Now, this is the second tour my sister and I have done. We've done the Warner Brothers tour as well, so we're excited to come and do the Paramount Studios tour and kind of compare. What would you say in comparison?
I think this is good. I think Warner Brothers was a little better, but I recommend to do both. And I like a lot of Paramount movies.
Yeah, I will recommend. We had Sydney for our tour guide here at Paramount, and she was excellent. I will recommend. But this is the beginning of our LA adventures. We're getting ready to head on and eat and do some other fun stuff, so we're going to take you all along. All right, y'all, we made it to the Hollywood Rooftop restaurant at Madame Tussauds. Heading on in. I'll show y'all the outside out here. They have the Walk of Fame right there. It's busy. Oh, look at Dwayne The Rock right here. Hey, The Rock. We heading to our table, y'all. Heading to our table here. Again, Hollywood Rooftop Restaurant and Bar. Madame Tussauds. Oh, Kylie Jenner over there. Hey, Kylie. Oh, Sarah said her butt not big enough, y'all. All right, so we came up. The elevator's open. The elevators are right there. They open. And look at Zendaya, y'all, sitting at the table. Oh, that's so cool. All right, Miss Zendaya. And this is going to be our table over here. I'll show you the menu in a moment. Before I show y'all the menu, just do a little quick walk around. And dream as if you'll live forever. Live as if you'll die today. Is that James Dean supposed to be? Maybe? And I know who this is supposed to be over here. Have the bar right there. Look at Leo at the bar, y'all. Look at Leo at the bar. Oh my gosh, he looks so real. I mean, it really looked like he's looking in my eyes, y'all. Like, let me switch it around. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Walking around some more, I believe. I'm not sure who this is supposed to be. Put in the comments. I'm going to try to find out who that's supposed to be. I'm not sure. Come around here. I know this is supposed to be Scarlett Johansson. Okay, ScarJo. And them nice little shoes on. All right. Let's head back over to the table. I just wanted to do a walk around, passing back by Miss Zendaya there. Oh, y'all, I sat down. I had to jump back up. Once I sat down, look. I was like, look at my man, Will Smith. He looks real. Oh, my gosh. Yes, Mr. Smith. I love it. And this is all at the restaurant. This is all at the restaurant. That is so cool. Okay, now I can go sit back down. All right, y'all, we are wrapping up lunch here at the Hollywood Rooftop Restaurant. On your screen right now is the menu. As you can see, they have a lot of different things to choose from, you know, the American type restaurant. But we wanted to give you our review of the food, but we have a special guest to give the review as well. And I'm going to turn it over to Sarah with our special guest.
Before I talk about the food, our special guest is Will Smith. Woo-hoo! They have a lot of fun little wax figures up here at the Madame Tussauds Rooftop restaurant. Just American food, so I went with an American type thing, a burger, vegan burger particularly for me, Impossible Burger. It was good. I had no complaints. And the appetizer, we got some garlic cheese puffs, and it comes with like tomato soup. That was really good. Different kind of like a grilled cheese and soup spin on that. So, and the burger comes with wedge fries, which I enjoyed as well.
Yeah, the food was really good. I had the skirt steak and the wedgie fries, and it was really good. I had no complaints at all. I liked it. I enjoyed it. What do you think, Will? How do you think the food is here? Oh, really? We'll give us 2 thumbs up.
All right, y'all. Now, before we leave out, I'm sure all of you already figured this out, but that is Marilyn Monroe. So, figured her out. And wanted to add that I did get the strawberry virgin mojito. Oh, I had a little too much soda water in it, but I drunk it. Tried it out, had to get my little drink on. But I agree with my mom and my sister. 2 thumbs up for this restaurant. The vibe is good. They got good music, and I love the Madame Tussauds wax figures that they have around this restaurant. They are excellent. We come back down from the restaurant, and here's a closer look at the rock. Oh my gosh, smiling. Look at me in the rock. I love it. All right, we just came out of the restaurant right there, and you look down, and it's the Hollywood Walk of Fame. They got Matthew McConaughey right there, Michael Keaton. Let's see. Oh, Ron Howard right here. It's pretty cool. Of course, it goes all the way down. They have a lot going on this street. We are on Hollywood Boulevard, y'all. Have a lot going on. Gwyneth Paltrow right there. Let's see who else. You walk a little further down, of course, you're still walking with the stars. But right next to the restaurant, they got food all out here. Okay, y'all, is Grauman's Chinese Theater. All the stars still going. Anne Hathaway, Kathy Bates. Oh, Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson right there. Okay. And here we are, the Chinese Theater. Okay, and in front of here they have, this is just like a Hollywood Studios copied this. They have the handprints, Nicolas Cage. Yeah, this looks like Hollywood Studios. Well, Hollywood Studios look like this because they ripped this off. They have all the handprints in front. It's pretty cool. Of course, they have a lot of people around here taking pictures. But I'm looking to see who we can see. Who is this? Not sure who that is, but do I see anybody else notable? Okay, here's Cher, Helen Mirren. Okay, all right, Julie Andrews. All right, Frank Sinatra. So they have some hands over here, y'all. Oh, that's pretty cool. Sarah found Steven Spielberg right here. Okay. I heard somebody say they had Michael Jackson's around here, but I don't see. Yeah, I saw his star, but they said they had his hands over here. I'm not sure where they are, though. It's a large area, y'all. They have hands all on the ground everywhere. Oh, we found my man, Tom Cruise, y'all. June 28, 1993. Got his hands and his feet. Oh, it's pretty cool. Glad I got to see Tom Cruise. George Clooney. Oh yeah, I'm seeing everybody now. This is neat. Got some steps over there. People coming down and going up. I think Disney's Hollywood Studios did a decent job in the replica. Now that I'm seeing the real theater, I think that they did a decent job at the replica that they did at Walt Disney World. Glad I was able to see this. This is really neat. All right, y'all. Before we head out, we found Michael Jackson's, his hands and his feet, multiple hand prints. Oh, that's pretty cool. They got his right in the front of the entrance right there. Michael Jackson. Cool. All right, y'all. We are finishing up our LA day. What did we do today?
Why did we start off with the Paramount Studio Tour? That was great.
Yeah, that was really fun. And I,
Information.
oh yeah,
The tour guides were great. And seeing all the props and the locations and getting that background information, those little hidden nuggets, it was really nice.
it was good. I liked it. Then we headed over to the Hollywood Rooftop. Madame Tussauds. Oh my gosh, that Leonardo DiCaprio, that blew my mouth away. But Mama, you like that Will Smith?
Oh yeah.
She was
We
rubbing.
had lunch together.
She was rubbing his hair, y'all. Like,
Yeah, man, you know those things are so real.
She
those
was-
wax things are so real.
she was getting intimate with Will.
Yeah. Nice looking guy. He always has been.
Always has been. And then right next door was the, what is it, Grauman's? Grauman's?
Roman's
Chinese theater.
with where the stars put their handprints and footprints in the ground.
Yeah.
And the
So
Walk
some
of
of our
Fame.
faves,
The star,
yeah.
get their star on the Walk of Fame. It's all together. It's all on the same area.
Top names like Michael Jackson,
all the stars, y'all.
Steven Spielberg,
Yeah.
Tom
The
Cruise.
year that they were inducted
Yeah.
into it.
We saw a
Yeah.
lot of
It's
Tom
good.
Cruise stuff today.
Yes.
We did.
My man. I love Tom Cruise. He's a little shorty, but he still is a great actor. Anyway, thank you all so much for coming out today with us here in Los Angeles. So excited to bring y'all along and check out our little fun things that we toured today, Tourist in LA.
With the stars.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And what do you say, Sarah?
What? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.
There you go.
Tell a friend about
Yes.
this channel.
Yes. Thank y'all. See y'all in the next one.